How to add story highlights on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add story highlights on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are in your profile settings page, simply scroll down and tap on archive. And here, you simply have to tap on the filters and here select the date range from which you want to put your story from, and here you simply have to select the past story that you have put in before. So here simply select the story archive and choose the one that you have put in before. And here, once you have selected it, inside the story at the bottom right side, there you can see the option labeled as highlight. So here simply tap on it, and here once you do that, you can simply tap on new, and here you can give a title to your highlights. And here once you're done with it, you can simply tap on save, and after that it will be saved as your highlight on your profile. And that's it. That's how you can add a story highlights on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.